Howdy, it's Tucson Jim from Newcomb Associates Digital Marketing. We've all been there, attempting a home DIY project with the confidence that we can handle it ourselves, only to realize midway that we might be in over our heads. Just last week, I found myself in this exact situation. I decided to assemble some boxed patio furniture armed with my tools and a good dose of determination. Assembling that furniture seemed straightforward, but as I started, it quickly became apparent that I could use some guidance. Ultimately, I had to get some help to get the job done right. The experience got me thinking about how similar DIY digital marketing is to a home project. Both require research, planning, the right tools, and sometimes extra assistance to ensure everything comes together perfectly. The challenge of DIY digital marketing. For many small business owners, digital marketing can feel like assembling complex outdoor furniture. You know it's essential. You have the basic tools, but it can be overwhelming without clear guidance. I swear the instructions for my outdoor furniture were missing a step. You may start with the basics, setting up social media accounts, claiming your Google My Business and Yelp listings, creating a website, and maybe even dabbling in SEO. But as you delve deeper, the intricacies of digital marketing can become confusing, and without a clear plan, it's easy to make mistakes or miss crucial steps. Introducing the free digital footprint report. Just as I needed detailed instructions to assemble my patio furniture, small business owners need a clear guide to navigate the complexities of digital marketing. That's where our free digital footprint report comes in. Our digital footprint report is a comprehensive instruction manual for your business's online presence. It provides you with a clear snapshot of your current digital presence. Understand where your business stands online, including your website's performance, social media presence, and local SEO. Identification of gaps and opportunities, just like finding the missing screws in a DIY project. Our report highlights areas that need improvement and opportunities for growth. Actionable insights and DIY tips. Receive practical tips you can implement yourself, just as you would follow a step-by-step guide to complete your home project. How the report helps you do it yourself. Here's how our free digital footprint report can transform your DIY digital marketing efforts. First, understanding your starting point. The report provides a detailed overview of your current digital presence, so you know exactly what needs attention. Second, step-by-step guidance with clear, actionable insights. You can address each area systematically, ensuring you don't miss any critical steps. Third, DIY resources. The report provides practical advice and resources, much like an instruction manual, to help you improve your online visibility and performance. Sometimes you need a little extra help. Just like I realized that assembling my patio furniture was easier with a helping hand, you might find that certain aspects of digital marketing require professional assistance. While the digital footprint report empowers you to handle many tasks on your own, we're here to offer support when you need it. Newcomb Associates Digital Marketing is ready to assist, whether it's advanced SEO techniques, comprehensive social media strategies, or intricate website enhancements. Claim your free digital footprint report today. Ready to take control of your digital marketing with a DIY approach? Request your free digital footprint report today. Visit prosperitypartnersteam.com, provide the needed information, and we'll generate your personalized report and email it to you within 1 or 2 business days. Empower your small business with the knowledge and tools needed to succeed online. Remember, even the most seasoned DIYer sometimes needs a little guidance, and we're here to help.